Good morning friends. Today we will learn how to create a file geodatabase and also how to add feature sets or raster data sets into it. So let's begin. Welcome friends. We'll be creating a file geodatabase today on ArcMap. For that we need to have a location directory as to where to create the file geodatabase. So I have already located the place. I will right click and copy the address and I will open the Arc catalog. I will paste it and as I can see it has been highlighted. I will right click upon it. I will just highlight my mouse and go on to file geodatabase and left click upon it, and it will form in no time. I can keep the default name as new file geodatabase, or as required I can go for my customized name. For this maybe I will use the name raster.gdb, and it has been formed. The raster gdb has been formed inside the location. As we can see, it will look like a folder itself, but basically now what is our purpose? We want to import a raster data set inside this file geodatabase. It has an extension of .gdb, that's the extension, default extension. So we'll right click upon it and we'll go for import and we'll left click on the raster data sets. We'll have to give a location, input location for the input rasters. So for that we'll go for the input location of this particular raster. We'll copy the location, we'll go to the pop-up as to raster database, geodatabase multiple. We'll click on the file location, and since it was already there we can look for it. This is the desired up.tiff raster. We can simply add upon it, and since the output geodatabase location is the default one as it is being shown, so we don't need to change it. We'll simply hit the OK button, and the imported file will soon be created inside the geodatabase file. It may take less than a minute depending upon the size, and so it has been formed as it is shown here. We'll click on the catalog, we'll double click on the raster gdb, and we can find that this raster dataset named up has been created. So we can left click and drag it on the table of contents, and bingo, it is there. So we can see that the raster dataset called up.tiff has been formed and imported inside the file geodatabase. It was as simple as that. Thank you.